Nestled in Honors Heights Park is also this beautiful kind of pocket garden that's gated called the Papilion. And joining me is Robin Aguirre, who is managing this space. And I got to tell you, these tulips are just looking amazing.
They're great.
We hit it at the right time. You got beautiful color combinations. So let's talk a bit about this little garden here.
Okay.
How do you manage this? What's kind of going to be the look of it later on? And
after the tulips are gone, and the master gardeners actually help us plant the tulips. We start with our annual beds, and like I said, the master gardeners help us.
Yeah.
So we come up with basically 2 different designs for both parts.
Okay.
One part is going to be an eco-type garden, where there will be eco-friendly beds, plants, stuff to dye clothing with.
Oh, okay.
So we'll find different plants that you can use to break down and dye material. This side over here will be a color wheel. So basic primary colors will be in this, and then they will fade out to the secondary colors.
So this is going to be the center of
right.
the primary.
So this is going to be the primary color bed, and then like I said, they blend out from there. So the color wheel will spread from there.
That's going to be beautiful. I mean, it already is beautiful. So there's kind of some ongoing interest here.
Right.
All season people can come out and check this out. But you had other stuff other than just these raised beds.
Yes.
I see a beautiful butterfly house across the way also. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we open our butterfly season Mother's Day weekend, which this year is September 11th, and we will run until September 30th. We have 26 different varieties of butterflies. Some are native. There are a couple that are non-native. Monarchs, swallowtails.
Zebra longwings?
Zebra longwings are actually one of the ones that are non-native that we will have.
Okay.
We also have some halicones.
Okay. So a lot of flowering plants in there,
a lot of flowering
I imagine,
plants,
too.
yes, yes. A lot of lantana.
And then we also have a children's garden.
Yes.
Which looks amazing with tulips as
Yes.
well. But you got some fun things in there for the kids.
Right. We actually have some interactive musical instruments that are like flowers that they can beat on, and they make a different tune. We also have like xylophones and everything. We also have a large monarch that they can climb on or take photos with. The walls, the fences are painted that they can take photos with.
This is just a very colorful garden.
Right,
I love it, and it's got so much activity going on here. Tell us a little bit. Do you do programming here at this space also?
We do programming. We do field trips, we do camps. We hope to get the kids involved in actually doing our vegetable gardens this year. We also do weddings, birthday parties, different events.
Okay, so is it free to come into this space, or is there an admission for it?
During the butterfly season, we charge a small admission fee. Adults are $3, seniors, students, and children are $2.
Okay. All right.
So
if somebody wants to come visit, where should they find out more about this?
Muskogee Park's website. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Robin, for sharing this with us. I think it's a fabulous little space, and you've just got so much going on here at Muskogee Honor Heights Park. I would encourage everyone to stop by any time of the year. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.